Hello, boys and girls. It is Tuesday, April 21st. I've got your morning work here. When you do this one, I want you to really pay attention to the contraction. Remember, mean Mr. O has to go, and we're going to take out the O and replace it with an apostrophe, but this one's tricky. We don't say willn't, so try and see which one would make sense there. Then we're going to do our phonics. We're looking at PH, and PH says like photo, elephant. So I want you to look at those, trace them. We're practicing a little bit of handwriting here. These lines are kind of big, but just practice it. And then draw a picture that matches the sentence. Then we're going to go on to L blends, a little short passage about the sled club. So I want you to look for, highlight all the words with an L blend in yellow, or you can just circle them if you don't have a highlighter. That's okay. So like plan, sled, club. Look for those L blends in there. Your next sheet is finding the verbs. Remember, a verb is an action word. So look in here, and any words, if you can do it, write it up here in the verbs. If it's not a verb, like man is going to be down here. And your phonics sheet for the day is a giant gopher. It's got the PH in there. So you're going to read this passage and fill in the blanks for this, answer the questions, and also find the evidence. Where did you find that? Color it or underline it up in here where you found your proof of that. If you'll notice, this one has a star on it. Please take a picture of this, have your parents take a picture of it, and email it to me, Mrs. Hill, Miss Gorham, or Mrs. Woodward when you get that one done. We want to check and see how you guys are doing with that. All right, for math, we're going to do some skip counting by twos. Use your 120 chart if you need to, and we're skip counting by twos and filling in the rest of that chart just for some review. And then you've just got some word problems for the day. Have your parents help you read these if you need to. And we're looking at adding 3 numbers. So Kate has 3 red pens, 4 blue pens, and 5 green pens. How many pens did she have in all? You're going to have 3 add-ins to find the sum. So it's part, whole. You can use these if you need to. If you don't need to, that's okay. These are just for you to help solve the problem if you need to. And that is it for Tuesday. See you tomorrow.